How to fix GIPHY GIFs or stickers not loading or showing in your Instagram stories. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix Instagram story GIPHY GIFs not showing or loading. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, ensure that you have strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. You could also try to switch your networks or toggle the airplane mode on and off to see if that works for you or not. If that does not work, then make sure that your application is up to date. To check for the updates, you have to open up Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Instagram and make sure the application is up to date. If it needs update, make sure you install the available update. After that, go back and check for the issue. If that still does not work for you, try to clear Instagram cache. Open up settings in your device, tap on Instagram. Once you're under the app info page, tap on storage and cache, and here tap on clear cache. It will delete the temporary and junk file from the application. That might help you solve your problem. If that still does not work, then you can try to uninstall and reinstall the Instagram application to reset the GIPHY integration. So you could try out that as well. If that still does not work, check whether the GIPHY is available in your region or not. Some regions may restrict the GIPHY due to content policies, so in that case, make sure that it is available in your region. If that is not your case, then you could also try to switch your personal account to professional account and check whether that will help you or not. In order to switch to your professional account, tap on your or open up Instagram. If you are on the home page, navigate to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. Here tap on the three-line icon at the top right. Scroll down and here you will find Creator Tools and Controls. And under this section, you will have an option to switch to your professional account. So you could also do that and check if that work for you or not. So these are some of the solutions or the methods that will help you fix if you cannot load your Instagram story GIFs, GIPHY or stickers. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.